നമസ്കാരം JB ജംഗ്ഷനിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. You talked about, say 15 youngsters being taken to the Central Committee. But I hope, Comrade Sridhar, after that, there was no recruitment like that to the party. Was it a failure on the party, or rather,
No, there was...
you couldn't get the quality cadres like that?
No, there was... I won't say you couldn't get quality cadres. There was recruitment, but that was only incremental.
A trickle. Yeah.
It was not such a big breakthrough. No, you see, of these 15, some may have worked, some may not have worked out. Okay, leave that aside.
Correct, yeah.
But then look at it. One was the chief of There's another set of problems, which is another area of problems which we have to tackle, which is your social realities. You see, we have always said, I have always said, and we have always maintained, and I've said it in this Congress as well, the class struggle in India stands on two legs: economic exploitation and social oppression. Remember, Swami Vivekananda called Kerala a madhouse of caste. No, how was that madhouse of caste the topmost state in India with the best human development indices compared with that of Europe?
Best.
How? No, the point is you have to be conscious, you have to that. But then you have to integrate. Like the communists in Kerala have succeeded very well compared to the other parts. You have to liberate the human being from exploitation. And the human mind cannot be liberated unless you liberate it from religion. So fight against religion is the most important thing for a human being to liberate himself. Understand the logic?
Understood.
So Marx says there's something wrong here, as a student. He says there's something wrong here. He says, then he comes to the seminal conclusion, which he writes, and criticizing Hegel's philosophy of law. He says the civil society, you say the civil society is not a term that's come out of your NGO movement today. Hegel talks of the civil society. That civil society that Hegel is talking about, society with order, no exploitation, that utopian society that Hegel said, he said the anatomy of the civil society must be found in its political economy. Then he comes to his famous conclusion that it is not the consciousness that determines our social conditions, our social existence. It is our social partners with LDF had left LDF and things like that. Such efforts must be made to try and bring them back, see what is to be done. But basically, I think Kerala people, I always say hats off to them, because they've kept the Kerala politics completely on its toes. They are the first people who perfected this practice of electing one formation once and one formation the other.
This is okay.
And so neither the UDF nor the LDF can relax in Kerala. They always have to be on their toes. It's very good, because the net result is doing greater work for the people. But the other thing about it, Kerala is also has always been a place where there's a vision. It's not just social service. You're not only serving the society and solving the problems of the people. It's also where are you going to take it. You had a big debate when EMS was alive still on the Kerala path of development.
Kerala model.
The Kerala model. It was internationally written about. It is now today part of the national discourse, only unfortunately very limitedly. Now, what is that? Now, what is the progress trajectory for the people of Kerala? Things have changed dramatically. Even today, the people are talking about saying that the Gulf, the Kerala world today, by anybody in the world who evaluates people who want to travel. So you found some methods. Now what is the future? Where are we standing today? There are some things which we also in the parliament, we also discussed. I was chairman of the parliamentary committee that dealt with waterways. The development of waterways, the ways of water transport in Kerala.
Inland waterways.
Inland waterways. And you know how that tourism, culture, that's one aspect. Whether you can bypass the stage of industrialization and move towards a service society based on IT and all that.
BT and so on.
So these are the issues that we initiated the debate.